How to fix Google Play Store keeps stopping. So if you want to fix your Google Play Store keeps stopping, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then your Play Store might not work. So once you've checked your internet connection, next what you need to do is open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit, go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps and then search for Google Play Store. After searching, tap on Google Play Store, go with clear data, which will be on the right side, and then clear the cache, tap on OK. After clearing the cache, your problem might be fixed, but if it doesn't, then you need to just simply go and uninstall the update. After uninstalling, you can just simply go and disable the application. After that, you need to again come back to your settings, go with your Google Play Store and enable it. After doing that, your problem might be fixed. Now you can open up your Play Store, go with your search and search for any application and go and download it. That's how you can fix your Google Play Store keeps stopping. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.